Hello, welcome back to Portuguese Meals. I'm Alexandre, and today we are making cod Brás style. This is one of the most common cod dishes in Portugal, and can be made with leftovers of cod or other fishes, and even meats. The ingredients are easy to find and very common in Portuguese cuisine. First step is to slice the potatoes in very thin strips and fry them. Then put the cod in the pan with a bit of salt, cover it with water and let it cook. After cooking the cod, shred it and make sure it has no spines. Chop the parsley grossly. Now chop the onion and the garlic and put it in the pan. Add the olive oil and turn on the heat. Add the cod and mix everything. Season with pepper. Add the potatoes and evolve everything well. Add the parsley and the eggs and mix everything fast to spread the eggs before they cook. It's ready when the eggs are cooked. Move it to a dish and garnish as you like. Feel free to check out my website portuguesemeals.com to learn other recipes. If you liked, give me a thumbs up, subscribe and leave me a comment. Bom apetite!